Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Tuscan chicken. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take a mortar and pestle, and to that we're going to add some chopped garlic. Now as always folks, the recipe is available down below in the comments. Then to that we're going to add some sliced rosemary, some peppercorns, and the zest of a lemon. Then to that we're going to add some olive oil. And we're just going to give that a crush up. Now we're just going to bring in our chicken. I've used bone-in thighs, bone-in breasts. And then we're just going to cover that with the garlic and rosemary mix from the pestle and mortar. Give it a good mix round to make sure everything's all covered with the oil. Then we're going to wash our hands. We'll pop a lid on that and we'll let it marinate for about an hour. Now once our chicken's been marinated for an hour, we're going to go over to our cooker. We take a heavy based frying pan, and to that we're going to add some olive oil. Then we're going to add our marinated chicken pieces. And we'll cook them for about 5 minutes on each side, just until they start to go brown. So now that our chicken's browned on one side, we'll just flip it over and we'll let it brown on the other side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now we'll just remove our chicken from the pan while we're going to make our sauce. Now to the same pan we're going to add tomato puree, the juice of a lemon, and some dry white wine. Just give that a stir around, let it warm up. And then we're going to add our chicken pieces back into it. Don't forget the juices from the plate, there's lots of flavour there. Now to our pan we're going to add some cherry tomatoes. We're going to pop the lid on. We'll let that cook for 15 to 20 minutes just until the chicken's cooked through. Now to our sauce we're going to add some capers and some black olives. Then we're going to add some freshly chopped sage over the top. And we'll just give that a stir around, let the olives and the capers warm up. So now that that's ready, our Tuscan chicken is ready to serve. Now I just serve mine with a Mediterranean salad, some mixed leaves, olives, tomatoes, sweet corn. Put the chicken on the plate, just cover it with some of the sauce. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for Tuscan chicken. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.